in. I think we're gonna call it because it is getting really hot and muggy. Gotta love North Carolina weather. Still not completely organized how I like it, but definitely a lot more functional. Fingers crossed we'll be getting his prior approval from his insurance soon so we can fit and deliver this next week, hopefully. But just wanted to give you a rundown. We have him in the Total Knee. And this is from Ossur. It has stance phase flexion. When you swing through and you're taking a step and put weight down, there's going to be a little bit of bend in that knee to take up some of that shock absorption. Some patients like it, some don't. And you can adjust that with these different bumpers that it comes with. So the different colors are just different stiffnesses that are going to give you a little bit more give or a little bit less give. Where these linkages are basically changes the axis of rotation. So it's going to be higher up, and basically all that means is it's inherently a more stable knee. Additionally, it has hydraulic swing that is adjustable, so it's going to allow for varied cadence, walking at different speeds, and it has it's polycentric, so as it swings through, it's going to shorten a little bit, so that's going to help with toe clearance, especially for above-knee amputees that have longer residual limbs or knee disarticulation. Also, it does have an extension promoter option. I'm usually not having to mess with or use. So like I said, hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll be getting prior approval from his insurance this week, and you'll be able to see the fit and delivery in the next video.